Is your HyperX Cloud 3 mic not working? First, check the physical connection. Inspect the USB or 3.5mm cable for bends, tears, or loose connections at both the headset and computer ports. Ensure the mic is securely attached to the headset. Next, verify your computer's input settings. In Windows Sound Settings or macOS Audio MIDI Setup, confirm that the HyperX Cloud 3 is selected as the default recording device. Adjust the input volume level and ensure the mic isn't muted. Use a program like Audacity to test if the mic is picking up any sound. Cable issues account for 45% of mic failures, so start here. If the cable and input settings are correct, the problem likely lies with outdated or corrupted drivers. Update your drivers through Device Manager or by reinstalling the HyperX Ingenuity software, which was updated in 2025 to improve input detection. Compatibility issues with Windows 11 or macOS updates can cause driver-related failures. After updating or reinstalling, restart your computer. If the mic still doesn't work, check the Ingenuity software to see if the headset is properly recognized. Resetting audio inputs within the software can also resolve conflicts. Driver updates have significantly reduced resolution times, so ensure you're running the latest version.